अमरनाथ यात्रा में सबसे ज्यादा यात्री शामिल हुए। वैष्णो देवी में श्रद्धालु रिकॉर्ड संख्या में दर्शन कर रहे। विदेशी टूरिस्टों की संख्या।
So, friends, we are deeply honored and pleased that the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, just some time back had laid the foundation stone of two projects. One is the Mawmluh Experiential Center at a cost of 32 crore rupees, and the other is the Sohra waterfalls trails at a project cost of 27 crore rupees. These projects will be taken up under the Swadesh Darshan 2.0 program, and the Prime Minister was also kind enough to have inaugurated virtually a project known as Development of Northeast Tourism Circuit. And the total amount of projects that were inaugurated today came to 85 crore rupees. These included Krangsuri Falls and other sites within the state of Meghalaya, whose details will be circulated to you because there are various such projects. But the total amount of the projects was 85 crore rupees.